Yes, very good morning to all of you. Myself, Mahesh Jagdish Pingle, lecturer, Electronics Engineering, Government Polytechnic Ambad. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss the radiation pattern of the antenna. So, what exactly we mean by the radiation pattern? In our previous lecture of resonant and non-resonant type of antenna, we discussed that the radiation pattern of resonant antenna it is of figure of 8, and the radiation pattern of the non-resonant antenna it is unidirectional. So we must know what exactly we mean by the radiation pattern. So, before moving to that particular part, I will just remind you that we discussed one concept of isotropic antenna, and in that particular isotropic antenna, we said that if we placed isotropic antenna at the center, so suppose this is your isotropic antenna. Isotropic antenna is placed over here. So it is a hypothetical antenna. So isotropic antenna radiates energy equally in all direction. So for all the direction we are having same amount of information. So equal energy it is distributed in all directions. So it is a spherical structure. So at each and every point at distance r from this particular isotropic antenna, if we measure the electromagnetic field strength or power, at that time we get the same amount of power density over each and every point on this particular sphere. So it is nothing but a spherical nature. So spherical structure. So if the isotropic antenna is placed over here, it will radiate energy equally in all direction. So in every point at a distance from r from this particular center of point where isotropic antenna is placed, we are getting the same power density. So it is nothing but the radiation pattern of the isotropic antenna. But we say that this isotropic antenna is nothing but a hypothetical antenna. So no any antenna can radiate energy equally in all possible directions. So practically this is completely impossible that each and every antenna should be a isotropic antenna. So practical antennas are different and isotropic antennas are different. So isotropic antenna will radiate energy equally in all direction, but practical antenna radiate energy more in some specific direction and less in some another direction. So when this particular point of discussion we want to learn that how to measure that there is a maximum radiation and how to calculate there is a less radiation, so we have to plot the radiation pattern. So the radiation pattern is nothing but a diagram which tells about the manner in which antenna radiates the power in different direction. So it is as shown in figure. Suppose I am saying that one of the practical antenna I am placing over here. So in previously we have said that it is isotropic antenna. Now I am saying that suppose this is your practical antenna. So practical antenna it is not a hypothetical. So practical antenna is placed over here, and at that time suppose this particular antenna radiates more in this direction, so the radiation pattern will be like this way, right? So if there is less radiations in the back direction, so this particular diagram gives us the information about the radiation pattern of the antenna. So suppose this is initial starting stage 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. So we say that there is maximum radiation portion in this particular direction. Why I am concluding this like this way? Because in this particular diagram I am observing the maximum radiations over in this particular direction. So it is maximum radiation direction, right? So it is maximum radiation direction, and this is particular it is minimum radiation direction. So this is just achieved with the help of, or it is just identified with the help of this particular diagram. So this diagram gives us the information about the manner in which antenna radiates. So maximum radiations in this direction and minimum radiations in this direction. So similarly, for receiving antenna, the diagram is known as the directional pattern. So when we are saying that a transmitting antenna is used, it is called as the radiation pattern. But if your antenna is receiving one, so at that time this particular diagram, it is called as the directional pattern. So all of you are getting. So I will repeat once again. So radiation pattern is nothing but a diagram which gives us the information about the maximum radiation or minimum radiation and the radiation of the power in different directions. So I will repeat once again. The graph or a diagram which tells us about the manner in which antenna radiates power in different directions is known as the radiation pattern. So this is the radiation pattern of practical antenna, and this is the radiation pattern of the isotropic antenna. If your antenna is transmitting antenna, then it is called as the radiation pattern, and if your antenna is receiving antenna, then it is called as the directional pattern. Okay, so thank you very much.